Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to send video message on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to send a video message in Telegram, first open up your Telegram app, and after opening a Telegram app, guys, open the chat box of the person to whom you want to send the video message. And after opening your Telegram chat box of the person to whom you want to send the video message, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there is a camera icon for us just beside the attachment icon on the message bar. If it's not available for you guys, you can tap on it. You can see the moment we tap on it, the mic icon will appear through which we will be able to send the voice message. But in our case, in order to send the video message, if the mic icon is available for you and not the camera icon, tap on that mic icon and the camera icon will be available first. Now in order to proceed to send the video message on Telegram, tap and hold on that camera icon, and you can see, guys, it will proceed to create a video message on the Telegram for us. But if you want to let go of your finger, you can see there is a lock icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Swipe up towards that lock icon where you're tapping, and you will be able to let go of that camera icon. Still your video message will proceed to record. And if you want to, guys, switch your camera to the backside of your phone, you can see there is the camera with a circular icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on that icon and your camera will be switched, where you will be able to record the video from your phone from the left or from the back camera. Now in order to proceed to send your video message, tap on the aeroplane icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and your video message will be sent like this. So let's do that again for a demo purpose. Let's again just tap and hold on that camera icon, and you can see, guys, by just tapping and holding on that camera icon, Telegram will start to record that video message. And if you let that go, that video message will be sent on Telegram chat like this, guys. You can see the video message is being currently sent. And with that being said, guys, this is how to send video message in Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.